Hi, my name is Chi Yong. I'm here to present my final proposal, a concept store for the brand Zimmerman. Zimmerman is an iconic Australian brand that stayed true to its original vision, sophisticated femininity, a passion for detail, and a love of color and print. Early in its evolution, Zimmerman took the bold step of fusing fashion with streetwear and presented it to the world. Zimmerman's store design represents the summary and label aesthetic that reflect the brand value. All stores feature archway reminiscent of Santorini building with usual plain or light wall to emphasize the garment's color. Most stores will also feature furniture for resting, which create an experience and atmosphere of effortless luxury. Based on those distinguishing elements of the Zimmerman brand, it directed my design proposal to a beachside atmosphere. The brand inspiration is to live in a sophisticated lifestyle and being romantic and fun in whimsy dreamscape. This diagram explains the relationship between online offline space, a fluctuation of experience in whole story space. This is an overall flowchart of the design process with human encounter. I'll go into detail individually with upcoming slide. This concept store creates an unknown and awaited journey from the beginning, delivering an experience from the villa where the puba is located toward a virtual reside in the end. It's play a narrative curve where people have the vacation excitement from a misty morning to a sunny and energetic beach atmosphere. This concept store adopts Zimmerman philosophy and existing store influence, building the indoor structure combined with symmetric arrangement. This store ideally located at some suburb which close to the beach with more public exposure instead of shopping mall. A prominent display room between the main entrance and exit that displays stylish and feminine garments. Striking and contrast color aim to attract the brand main demographic, female user. Semi-transparent curtain at the emission deliver an uncanny visual effect like a misty morning. Installed repetitively with lightly misty sentiment to elicit a meditative perspective, immersing themselves into a different space. Compartmentalizing the expensive space create a carefully constructed circulation with the store layout designed to take shopper on a journey of discovering figuratively. A more stylish pool bar located at the back of the display room, a photogenic vacation space for users to experience a long-awaited gateway due to COVID-19 impact. Besides that, a pinky high interior space that demonstrates the appeal of freedom and bring the space to a fancy and charming scene. The retail building craft up the open plan space with structural intervention based on archetypal city sites such as malls, church, and galleries. Number of arched doorways can be seen in this concept store, fundamentally influenced by Zimmerman's current store design and elements. The different level of the structure at both sides of the retail create a symmetric layout of lookout point, allowing the user to view the store from different perspectives. Multiple arch design entrance at the ground level of the structure are fitting rooms, which resemble the cave, and different leveling deliver an idea of a full tree-like facade and a vertical silhouette that mimic the contour of the cliff. So several wall-mounted vertical and horizontal brass placed at certain spots for clothes display. This concept store uniquely display all the clothes to present their brand and fashion in a gallery style. People often find themselves overwhelmed by sorting through the cloth options on different occasions. The fitting room use AR technology to capture the user and show the user on the screen after they have their clothes changed physically. This interactive mirror allowed them to choose a diverse background in different venue or scenery, picking their desirable dresses for venue matching, capture their dress on the moment and upload it to the social media for moment sharing. Multi-sensory display at the end of the concept store, using a projector to display a virtual beach site from the outside world. Instead of building an actual environment such as beach or forest for the user experience, pairing secondary elements such as shadow and audio to create a pendant atmosphere for an immersive experience and trigger people to feel of true being in the beach site. This is not just a retail, it's an experience. It's the actual realization of a dream, a visual fueled by emotion, story, memories. It's like a tale in which everyone can recognize a bit of themselves. It's provide an opportunity and environment where people may pretend to go on vacation, traveling overseas, and unique shopping experience during this pandemic to meet their certification. These are the references. Let's watch the walkthrough video. Thank you.